Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. So here's another tile that I'm just replacing. It's been siliconed up, put down in the eaves again. So it's easy to replace. I just kicked that one up above it, and then normally there's a tile clip like this one that comes off. So you pull that out, put back in, and you're done. Slide that tile out. Slide the new one in. And put the tile clip back on. There you go. There you go. That's how easy it is to replace a tile if you've got a broken tile. Right?